Okay, hi YouTubers. My name is Andrew Wilson from Wilsonic Illustration, and I am going to draw Batman, my favorite comic book hero. And just for fun, basically, I'm just using a regular old yellow pencil and just a normal pad of drawing paper. Okay, let's begin. So, I like to start off really light, drawing a nice lightly drawn kind of a stick figure. And what this does is it helps me establish the position of my character, in this case Batman, on the paper. I'm just going to be drawing Batman in kind of a straightforward running pose. Again, notice I'm keeping the lines nice and light, working in layers, not erasing every 2 seconds. Think of it as kind of a rough draft to a more finished drawing. I'm using cylinders and circles and squares. Basic shapes to help me build my character. I want to construct my character. Let me just bring that arm. The arm's giving me a little trouble there. And a couple of lines. Start thinking about his cape there. Maybe it'll work. Again, just not erasing, just using a lot of lines to get information down on the page. Okay, so I have a real loose, kind of rough draft here. Now I'm going to slow down, start to bring in some of the details, really trying to make sure the proportions are correct. A nice sharp pencil piece. This part here. Putting plenty of pockets on his famous utility belt. His famous bat ears on his cowl. Kind of a stone cold expression. With his cape flowing in the wind behind him. see if I can figure out that foot a little bit more. Okay, at this point, it's a real loose drawing. I might use the side of my pencil here. Really begin to shade. This is when your figure starts to come to life, start to look more three-dimensional. I could even use my finger and kind of smudge some of the shading to soften it up. Big leg there. Use my eraser to bring out some of the highlights. Give him his classic Batman emblem on his chest. And again, use my eraser maybe to bring out his utility belt a little bit. And let's add a little more shading here. Let's really bring out some of those details. Yeah, it's really starting to come together now. Notice I'm erasing some of my original construction lines to kind of clean up the drawing. There you have it, kind of a classic Batman look. Running to maybe surprise some villain in Gotham City. And this is a nice rough drawing I can take to the light box, maybe trace, clean up a little bit. add a few more details, but I'm pretty happy with what I got here so far. Maybe you can leave a comment or a video response of your favorite superhero. Maybe you have some drawings you've done. Love to hear some comments from the people out there in the YouTube world. And thank you for watching. This has been Andrew Wilson from Wilsonic Illustration. I hope you enjoyed.